chief guest, Ms. N. Sindhu Dhatri, to please address the gathering.
Director Sridhar Reddy sir and Avinash sir. Correspondent Swapna Reddy ma'am and Principal Swati Reddy ma'am for having me here. And most importantly, NCC Chief Officer Geeta Joseph ma'am. Or a title is not just a symbol of pride, it is a call to action. You were chosen not only for your achievements, but for your character, your commitment, and your potential. Today, you're not just students, you are the role models. You will set the tone, uphold the values, and shape the culture of your school. You're not just leading a classroom or a campus, you're learning to lead in a global world. I, Sindhu, have been playing sports since age of 7. So I've been experienced many issues and situations. I want to share with you few of my experiences and what are the advantages of playing sports. Firstly, sports is very important in our lives. You can pick up any sport of your choice in your daily routine for a healthy living. You can achieve anything in life with money, but not your health. The health is only achieved by doing some physical activity or any kind of sport. Sports not only helps you being fit mentally, but also physically and emotionally. I can say that personally I have experienced. Be it a passion or profession, sports or any physical activity is a must. It gives us respect in the society. Not just respect, but self-respect too. It gives us self-confidence and confidence that we can face anything and everything in the world. And there are many advantages by playing sports, but there are no disadvantages. And I request all the students to take any of the sport of your choice. And if you play sports now, it will be very useful for you in the future. The certificates will be useful for your academics or jobs. And for the NCC cadre also, those certificates will be useful for your future jobs and education. And I request everyone to please play sports. So I would like to ask all of you, how many of you are already into sports? I can see the good number, that's good. Okay, you're playing by, okay, good. How many by passion? Okay, how many are playing by profession? Profession, like you have an aim, you want to become something, prove something. Good. Everyone should have an aim in their life. If you have an aim only, you can achieve anything. My request and my most sincere request is for parents. Because I'm here today because of my parents' dedication, sacrifice and the time they took for me. At the age of 7, as I'm a girl, they used to travel with me everywhere all around the world. We were used to go to tournaments every month. They used to come with me for all the matches for my safety. And their dedication led me here. Parents, it's my sincere request to encourage your kids to take up sports because your role is most important to shape the kids. And without your support and dedication, it's impossible for the kids to achieve their goals. How much busy ever you are, you should take time for your kids to shape up their future. And nowadays, kids are getting distracted for many other activities. I is very disciplined and I can see that in your dedication of your this event. Because nowadays other schools, I don't want to name them, but they don't have such discipline and dedication. I generally, when I was in school, I could see the two plaids and very disciplined. But now I don't see the other school people wearing two plaids. They just wear one pony and they just leave their hair. They doesn't seem like school students, but they look like college students. But now, after seeing you students of Genesis International School, I feel very happy and proud. Please be disciplined in this way because by seeing this, you should be according to your age. Now you will wear 2 plaits, you'll be disciplined. And next in college, however, you will have to wear a pony or you have different haircuts. That's obvious. So compulsory, you should be disciplined. I really feel very happy. And thanks to all the teachers and staff and principal ma'am and correspondents for leading the school students so well and training them so well. And there's a small modified proverb. It says apple a day keeps a doctor away, but now it says like playing sports every day keeps a doctor away. So I wish all the students be fit, be healthy, participate in more sports, play more tournaments, bring out the best in you. It helps you in the future. Personally, I'm saying, because I'm experiencing it, you'll get the best respect out of everyone. And now me, a sports person turned entrepreneur, I'm training kids of all the sports like lawn tennis, table tennis, basketball, football, cricket, and soon badminton also. So I love to see kids playing because that helps them to shape their future, because in their exams also they can do very well. The concentration power of the students who play sports is more than the normal students, because the concentration you do while playing sports, you have the aim, you have the targets, you have the minimum time, you have the fitness levels. That things will help you during your exams. Me personally, when I was in my school, I used my full day was scheduled for sports and all. Being in a completely strict schools like Rosary Convent High School, Sri Chaitanya, and Osmania University colleges, everyone has given me permissions because of my achievements and because of my I was a topper in the school also, in the college also. That was because of the concentration part, because of my sports which helped me to achieve. So I was economics topper in my college, and my journalism, I was the topper of the college, and in school also I performed very well. So all the teachers were very proud and they were giving me permissions because I could score good in academics also, and they were encouraging in the sports. And I request the school fraternity also to encourage the kids for playing sports and lots of tournaments so that they know how to lead it. And I request everyone to take up sports or any physical activity, dance or anything. Please be fit and healthy. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity as coming as a chief guest and motivate you kids. Thank you so much.